Silence.
Hey, you make me feel like a rebel, but I will not give you a reason.
What's up YouTube? Welcome to part number 5 of my trip through Europe. I'm sitting on a beach which is located at the Lofoten in Norway. And why I'm already here, you're asking? The reason is quite simple. I lost some files on that camera which I'm recording right now. But I still have some files from the way till here. And that's what we restart right now.
On the way, we had a break beside a glacier stream, close to the Arctic Circle, which is located a little bit southeast from Bugdeon. We took some nice pictures there.
Hey, you make me feel like a rebel, but I will not give you a reason to decide.
We arrived on the Lofoten, which is almost the most important travel target here in Norway. It is kind of a half island and lots of mountains you can find here, lots of nice landscape where you can take thousands of photos, which we already did. And we will also fly a little bit with our drone, which you will see right now while I'm talking. And our target today is go to a famous beach close to the point where we are right now. And yeah, let's go. We kind of have a road in front of us. So yeah, no time to lose. Here we are at the Northkapp beach where we took our thumbnail image. And it's also the same destination where I started the video. That's our spot for the night, and we also took some long exposure shots. Alright, we already left the Lofoten and we arrived in Narvik in a nice kind of hostel, where we have our own bathroom for our own laundry, as you can see there, which we already used. And we have our separated beds. How nice is that? For a very good price actually. We only paid about 35 euros per person, which is quite pricey. As you can see, Dennis is already drying the clothes.
Hi guys.
And we also have our own little kitchen, where we already cooked dinner and we will cook some breakfast tomorrow. And yeah, there you go. The next target is the Northkapp, and yeah, it will continue tomorrow. See you guys there. Good morning guys. Do you know what the noise is? We actually triggered the fire alarm because we had cooked that amount of bacon. Yeah, okay. Okay, fire alarm is off. We actually triggered the whole building. The firefighters didn't arrive, fortunately. I hope we don't get the bill. So everything fine again, and yeah, we will finish our laundry and then we will continue. Alright my friends, we arrived at the Northkapp, the most north point you can reach in Europe. And yeah, how do you like it?
It's bloody cold up in here.
Yeah, that is some kind of true. So yeah, as you see, it's not very special here. So let's go back south.
Bye.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are already in Finland and it is already a little bit warmer here. It is already a little bit more in the south. And down there is our car. That's where we spent the night today. And the other clown is there taking some photos from the bridge over there.
Hi guys.
And that's also the point where I will wrap up the episode. Oh. The next episode will last for a bit because I will do a break for about 4 days. The next video will start in Helsinki, but don't worry guys, if something happens on the way there, I will show you. And yeah, as always, the channel is on the left. You can also find some other videos, the playlist is still here. And yeah, check it out. Yeah, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, and have a nice day guys. Bye!